Hello guys, welcome my channel. Today I am teach you what is the property insurance. The community of property insurance is the form of insurance that properties you can protect over the business and your building equity stores and effects of more types of replacement restore storing it is the time of damage restoring fire the wind strokes and other events. What do you the property insurance property you can business property insurance and the insurance from the time of business who using the cover event damage discover by the policies will be repair and replace the effect of that time. The policies protect insurance cover by the damage reuse for the filters. That are the filter that you will use assessment and accessories. The property insurance does not pay the loss of such flood and creation damage, incursion business of the parts damage insurance companies because that covered by the statutes and many mobility properties including the tools of equations. Environment of the damage included the camel properties over the ETC and requirements as the Brock study as the enemy's cost and loss of income due to not beginning available to form of the building plan properties definition the uses of designing of mating properties of the often conveniently the general insurance has been the properties backup is called business warships BOP you are also buy the September business policies and the provide cash an hour after the properties damage making and imported our life factings. Companies protects insurance eligible requirement properties will be available from insurance makeup has been insurance providing the cover by the small business for the first business must provide the insurance that which the professional financially responsible for the business can be that function insurance has been many other quantities you can see here about this if the business informers but the companies provide the histories and many properties damage insurance claim companies and our the views of insurance right the track record of schedule financial protection has lost the many abilities to qualifications and cover by the moderate equations. Many have paid the external who need the property insurance like the general library insurance. Property insurance is the most important form of insurance protection. Near has been the business should be covered by the easy world the products smallest electron natures companies has been followed the like and storage need for the type of properties who is the financial equality of products? For instance, the business has been companies has their requirements, the properties business again the other readiness and companies is the product insurance that you reduce the loss of electrons and many other insurance has been policies that are Arab software development, reducing regulation and many other ducaps harass can be protects and many other reasons has been many other quantities you can lose the insurance solutions and all right the resources and information does not cover by the drivers and almost the equation. So this is the today video finished inshallah we'll back your next video tomorrow tab tak ke liye mujhe dijiye ijazat Allah hafiz and thank you for watching.